Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add and manage Siri for the headphones REALME Buds T110. As you can see, I have two phones for it, because it's not simple, because REALME doesn't support their application on the iOS. So all you want to do is just go to the REALME application on your Android device, then go to button settings, and now you should choose how you can awake a Siri. So I prefer double tap on the left my earbud, so I click on it, choose voice assistant, and that's it. Now turn off the Bluetooth on your Android device, or just unpair your headphones from the Android. I prefer to turn off the Bluetooth. Now close the case, and after that open it again to connect with your iOS device. I guess we should do it again. If you don't want to connect with your phone, just okay, now it's working. So click on it, and right now we can use a Siri by pressing 2 times on the left earbud. And here we go. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.